mission. We're going to build a brick house for the 3 little pigs. Let the mission begin. Come on. Welcome aboard. Buckle your seatbelts. Seatbelts buckled. Prepare for blast off. We're going to need a lot of power to blast off. Pat, 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 pat. June is patting. Quincy's patting. Annie's patting. But we need more power. Put your hands on your lap and pat with us. Pat, 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 pat. Faster. Pat, 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 pat. Now raise your arms as high as you can and say,
You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we could share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
"'Cause here we go! Woohoo! Rocket is going to make a brick house that the wolf can't blow down. But he'd better build it quick.